Avalanche value equivalent to $6,056 a coin. The present exchanged cost range 44,57, 46, 62 and 48. The earlier day close 46.5 and 286. The change was 0.8 on 230, 198%. Opposite rate, us to Avax. Avalanche estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $34.79. Exorbitant cost $43.19, while low cost $34.79. They found the middle value of cost $38.28. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $40.36. Change for July 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $40.36. Exorbitant cost $40.36, while low cost $31.83. They found the middle value of cost $36.70. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $34.23. Change for August 15.2%. Avalanche figure for September 2024. Before all else cost at $34.23. Excessive cost $42.49, while low cost $34.23. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $37.67. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $39.71. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at $39.71. Excessive cost $49.28, while low cost $39.71. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $43.69. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $46.06. Change for October 16%. Avalanche gauge for November 2024. To start with cost at $46.06. Exorbitant cost $57.17, while low cost $46.06. They found the middle value of cost $50.68. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $53.43. Change for November 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $53.43. Exorbitant cost $58.23, while low cost $50.61. They found the middle value of cost $54.17. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $54.42. Change for December 19%. Avalanche gauge for January 2025. In the first place cost at $54.42. Exorbitant cost $60.56, while low cost $52.64. They found the middle value of cost $56.06. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $56.60. Change for January 40%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2025. To start with cost at $56.60. Exorbitant cost $60.81, while low cost $52.85. They found the middle value of cost $56.77. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $56.83. Change for February is on 4%. Avalanche conjecture for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at $56.83. Excessive cost $61.99, while low cost $53.87. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $57.66. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $57.93. Change for spring 19%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at $57.93. Excessive cost $64.47, while low cost $56.03. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $59.67. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $60.25. Change for April 40%. Avalanche estimate for May 2025. Before all else cost at $60.25. Excessive cost $65.03, while low cost $56.53. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $60.65. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $60.78. Change for May's or 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $60.78. Exorbitant cost $67.55, while low cost $58.71. They found the middle value of cost $62.54. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $63.13. Change for June 39%. Avalanche conjecture for July 2025. Before all else cost at $63.13. Excessive cost $69.80, while low cost $60.66. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $64.71. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $65.23. Change for July 3%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2025. Before all else cost at $65.23. Excessive cost $80.97, while low cost $65.23. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $71.78. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $75.67. Change for August 16%. Avalanche gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $75.67. Exorbitant cost $75.67, while low cost $59.11. The found the middle value of cost $68.50. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $63.56. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost at $63.56. Exorbitant cost $63.56, while low cost $49.65. The found the middle value of cost $57.54. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $53.39. Change for October 16%. Avalanche estimate for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at $53.39. Exorbitant cost $64.03, while low cost $53.39. The found the middle value of cost $57.66. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $59.84. Change for November 1%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at $59.84. Exorbitant cost $59.84, while low cost $50.02. The found the middle value of cost $55.87. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $53.78. Change for December 1%. Avalanche conjecture for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $53.78. Excessive cost $53.78, while low cost $42.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $48.69. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $45.18. Change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else, cost at $45.18. Excessive cost $56.08, while low cost $45.18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $49.71. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $52.41. Change for February 16%. Us to Avax expectation for April 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.19 coins. Excessive costs are 30, while low 0.18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.24. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.28. Change for April 47.4%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for May 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.36, while low 0.21. The found the middle value of cost 0.30. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.33. Change for May 17.9%. Us to Avax expectation.